It's a good practice to take a look at the design and understand what you're gonna create and how you can take container and what you are planning. Let's say I could use container column here, but instead using them I'm gonna use grid layout here. And also there is a just simple heading with subheading text. Let's copy the heading subheading from here. We can duplicate. Before pasting here, let's add a container. Then there is another container, and now copy or drag it from here, paste our process, and go to General tab, activate the subheading, make it below, copy the text from here, paste, go to the content and make it center. So you can simply add the container, select the container and adjust the width here. So why it looks different? Because maybe there is a spacing on the right side. Okay, I hope you understand, because I have copied the heading from another place and there I have added some spacing, and this is totally fine. Sometimes to say unwanted issue in our design. Okay, let's create this section. Just export this image first from here. Make sure when you're exporting any small image, make sure you have exported into the SVG format to keep the icons or image looks sharper and clear. Let's select the container here again and add another container. Inside the container, change the layout to grid, add another container, and I have added 3 column here. Let's I have already taken a grid here inside the container, and change the background color of that grid so that you can understand where I'm working. Info box, so you can take info box here instead. Okay, yes, we have to take a container, because when we want to use any background color, we have to use container, because info box doesn't have options to add a background color. Let's select info box here, title, and activate the image here, add the icon, change alt text, copy this text, boom, we are done here, right? So you have to use your proper skills to make things perfect and to speed up the process. Let's add margin top 10 pixel, and now select the container here. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, select the container, margin top, edit here again, select the container and go to the styles tab, spacing, add some spacing. You can also take a look at here how much space they are using here. Just select the element and hold the alt key from your keyboard. They have added 20 pixel spacing on the all over the side. Let's add 20 pixel, and the consultation, which is 24 pixel, and we have added 24 pixel for H4. Let's have a look whether I'm using H4 or not. Let's add H4, and we are done with our sections here, which is work in process. Let's duplicate simply. And there is a spacing between the item around, let's select here, 30 pixel. But if you just take a look at our container, okay, select the parent container here. So I have selected the parent container where I have applied this grid, And if you just take a look at here, this is the parent container, those are the child container here. So select the container and take a look at here, 3 column, and now I'm gonna increase the gap between them. That's very easy. Simply go to a styles tab, a spacing tab, and column gap, make it 30 pixel. That's it. But there is a little issue here. You can see when I activate or increase the gap, maybe it's 16 pixel and the layout is not, it's on expected width, and that's why it breaks the text here. So I think I do not want to break it, and there are a couple of different solutions that you can follow. You can increase the container width here, overall container content width, or you can select the container, reduce the gap. Let's make it 28. That's fine. So we have a button here, book a call now. To add the button, I have to select the whole container from here. So inside the whole container, you can see there are 2 containers. The first one is work in process and the second one is our process. Also, if I right click, you can see you can rename each container and you can lock them so that you can, or if you're working as a team, other team member can easily understand which one is for used for which section. Let's select the parent container and add a button here. Click on update and reload the page. Scroll down. So we have completed, just we have to add some spacing at the top and bottom and on the above to the button area. Let's select the button here, go to styles tab, spacing, add some margin top 30 pixel, and also select the whole container or the parent container, select spacing at 20, and after that unlink, and on the top add 90 and bottom add 90 pixel. Let's reload. Okay, so again reload. We have completed this work in process section, and now it's time to create our contact form and this nice map here. So after that, there is only frequently asked question section here.